presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for every presidents to represent me.
I'm out for presidents till they residence permanently in my pocket. See, I'm trying to jump in your bitch's hot pocket and fuck till my hard topless forever. I don't need to know you better. Until my dying day, I'm chasing the cheddar. I'm out for presidents. Y'all niggas can't see this beef squash. And she sucked the tip like a Macintosh to get a crisp bars till my shit launched. No pad, just a finger in a roll, another swisher. I got papers and haters that's mad cause they got no paper. Not even soldiers, I got soldiers abroad like my shoulders. Just focus, maybe one day you'll be up on the level of the soldier. No Call of Duty, my mission is to leave you leaking like a wet pussy. Gucci, no man, I got Louis and Coogis. Y'all hitting bitches who coochie like sushi. Niggas sue me, your baby mom's a mama groupie. Who me? I'm stunting under fire, no double O. I'm heating up the flow so far ahead of niggas I aim to go and get my buzz Empire State High. Who knew? All you new rappers are doo-doo like poo-poo in the Zudu. Shoot up your Zuzu, cause I'm out for presidents. Until my dying day, I'm out for presidents.
I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for every presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for presidents to represent me. Get money. I'm out for every presidents to represent me.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I really spit some bars. I like doing me, I ain't worried about fancy cars. I'm just being real with the stars. I feel like I'm taking off straight to Mars. I'm my own man, don't need a copy. Get your act together cause you look really sloppy. I'll never hate even though I don't like everybody. I ain't not for presidents but I can feel fame. I'm not uptight but I'm on my game. I'm giving out advice for niggas who lame. Get your mind right cause we not the same. My flow is really just how I feel. I smoke me a guard after every meal. My heart is soft but it's strong like steel. I let my mind go to gather up my thoughts. I stay fresh to death from my hat to my socks. What I'm saying is just some real shit. Can't handle the heat, nigga? Then just quit. Don't act foolish, use your wit. Run up on me and you get your head split. I'm a real nigga, I stay 300. Everything you did, I've already done it. I ain't worried about dogs, I need an old lady. I mean a 5-star that don't act shaky.
Every presidents to represent me. 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 I'm out for 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 every presidents to represent me.